Hello everyone, comb the hair at the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band, drop it inside for a twisted band, split the tail along with the remaining section of the hair into two and have ponytails on each of them, drop the tail into its own loop, then combine both the tails together with a common braid and have it secure with the rubber band and roll the braid to the top and drop in your favorite hairband right in the middle of the braids. Grab the top section of the hair, split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner, secure the end with the rubber band, then grab the bottom section of the hair, roll the braid clockwise and secure it in the hairband, then roll the other braid anti-clockwise and secure it with another hairband. Comb a few strands of hair on the left section of the top part and have it split them into two parts and have it braided in a thicker manner and combine both the braids together with another rubber band and have another section of the hair right below the first one and do the same braiding as we did before. Then tie with another rubber band, then decorate with your lovely hairband. Grab a section of the hair on the left side, split them into three parts and have it braided 3 or 4 times. Then after that, grab a strip of hair from the right side and make it go in between the braid. Do that again for 3 or 4 times and after that braid as normal as you would do and have a rubber band attached to it at the bottom. Then have another section of the hair right below the first one on the left side and have it braided in the same manner. Then have it braided until you reach the rubber band. Save the right section of the hair for later with a section of the hair at the back. Make a lovely ponytail and split the tail into 4 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the braid rolled into a clockwise manner and hide the tip underneath the braid we have. Grab the right section of the hair and split them into 2 parts and have it braided in a thinner manner and make the braid go over the bun we created and drop in your favorite hairband. Hold your hair from behind and make a lovely ponytail out of it. Then create a gap using your finger and drop the tail into it from bottom to top and tighten a little bit and split the tail into 3 parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner. Then secure with the rubber band, roll the braid and have it to the top making as a bun. Then drop in your colorful hairpin on the middle. Comb the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and make it to the left side and have another section of the hair from the left side and drop it into the right loop and drop it inside for a favorite twisted band, tighten it a little bit. Grab a section of the hair right below it, do the same twisted band, the first loop we created and drop your favorite hairband right on top of the braid. Grab the top section of the hair, split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner and secure the end with the rubber band and grab the sides of the hair right below it, tie with the rubber band, drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band once again and bring the braid back and grab the sides of the hair and tie it right over it with the rubber band and drop it inside for a twisted band. Make a bunch out of your lovely hair and pinch out the hair on the top section a little bit. Split them into 4 equal parts and have rubber bands attached in the middle part of them. Do the same for all the tails and combine all the 4 together and move to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin and make it as a heart in shaped lump. Then with the tails we have hide it behind the lump. Comb a strip of hair from the sides and tie it together with a rubber band and have a strip of hair from the left and drop it inside into the right loop and have it combine with another strip of hair on the right and do the same vice versa on the opposite side. Then comb the remaining part of the hair and drop in your favorite hairpin. Thank you everyone for watching this video.